Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a beautiful wedding invitation card just by using Canva. Completely free and super easy. So let's get started. First open your Chrome browser and search for Canva. Open Canva's home page and search for wedding invitation. Here you will see various templates. Both free and paid templates are available, but I will choose a free template for today's tutorial. Let's scroll down to find a perfect template. I am choosing this free template. Let's customize this template. You can edit names, date, and venue just by clicking on the text. Let's suppose I'm changing bride's name. Here you can see I have changed bride's name. So let's change font style as well. Click on the text, just go on to fonts and go in calligraphy and choose any pretty font. This looks good. And here you can see font style has been changed. You can also change font color. Let's change background color to make it more attractive. Here you can see background color has been changed. Now select on the font and change the font color to white. Change all. As you can see, font color has been changed. Let's change the design. So I'm going to delete this border. Select this, flip it, flip vertical, and drag it in the top right corner. Slightly adjust this border as well. Okay, here you can see the border had been set. Now let's go to element section and search for wedding couple. Go to graphic section and search here. I'm using this design. Here's the size and adjust in the bottom right corner. Now again go to elements and search for magic dust. Go to graphic section scroll down and find your favorite design. So I'm choosing this one. Slightly rotate this graphic and adjust it in the background. Now change its position and set to backward. Again, duplicate this design and flip it horizontal. Drag in the left corner. Again, change the position to backward. So here you can see design is ready. Once your design is ready, you can simply go to share option. Click on download. You can download in both forms, JPG or PDF. If you want to print it, then go for PDF print. And select this option. If you are using Canva Pro, then you should use this option, but if you are using Canva free version, then you can use RGB. So since I'm using free version, so I'm using it, and let's download this. Design is ready and you can view it.